In our chemistry, our topic is chapter number 3, organic chemistry. First, I'm gonna give a little bit history about it. So, in 1815, the scientist came and he named as Berzelius. So the scientist came and he proposed that the compound what do we say, organic compound cannot be synthesized from the inorganic compounds, but this theory was totally wrong. And instead of that theory, in 1828 the German scientist came and named as Friedrich. He came and he proposed the theory. He proven that the theory that he proposed was known as vital theory. Okay, I may not think. Vital theory. This theory was proven wrong by German scientist Friedrich. What he did, he explained it by he proved it by the experiment. And what he did, he converted ammonium cyanate into urea. This is inorganic substance. You need inorganic substance. You need to keep that in mind. And this urea that is extracted from the mammals or human beings. This is organic substance. So, as you can see that the vital theory explained that organic or inorganic substance cannot be synthesis from the organic, but this theory was proven wrong by this experiment, the German scientist experiment. So we need to understand, I hope this is clear to you. So we need to understand that what is chemistry, what is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study not only of hydrocarbon but its derivative. You need to keep that in mind, that derivative means other than hydrocarbons or some more essential elements as well. Study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Okay, so the key point and the key element of organic chemistry is carbon. Okay, so if we talk about the source of organic chemistry, organic compounds. So the source of organic compound is living organism or living things. We can obtain the organic compounds from animals and plants. Okay, so this was the source. Now if we composition, talk about the composition of the organic compounds. So the composition of organic compound is carbon, as I told you, the key element, and most frequently hydrogen is used. These two are the most common and the most important element that is used in organic compounds. Basically, you need to keep that these two elements are compulsory to make an organic compound. Without these, we cannot compose the organic compounds. Means the organic chemistry is possess these two compounds, hydrogen and carbon. So if we talk about the melting and the boiling point of these, you must be thinking that what bond they create. So they create covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Sharing wala bond. Sharing, in which the compound is sharing the electrons. Okay, so the composition of covalent compound, a covalent bond is weaker than ionic. So the organic compounds have lower melting points, of course, and boiling point as well, like because of the structure of the covalent bond, the composition of the covalent bond that is weaker, so automatically the boiling and the melting point will be lower or always. Okay, so now we are talking about the homologous series and how we can the compounds are made. So you need to keep meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, non, and dac in your mind. These are the prefixes, and now we're gonna add in, and yl. So you must be thinking that what is this? So let me make you understand. So the general formula of these three words are these three words. So you must be thinking that why these in, and yl are used. These are used to give the name to organic compound. So here we're gonna give the name. So the general formula of alkanes. Now we are talking about this one, alkanes. We are talking about alkanes. How to name alkane? General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So methane, I told you that we have to learn that series, so we have taken meth. So in meth, C carbon will be 1, we don't need to write, and hydrogen will be 4. So if we put this will be the formula of meth, and this consider at the single bond, because in alkanes there will be always the single bond. Okay, so if we add in here, so this will be called methane. So we can prove this, we can prove the next one with the help of formula eth. Okay, eth. Now the eth contain 2 carbon atoms. Okay, and we need to find out the hydrogen. So by this formula we can C2H2 plus 2 C2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So hydrogen here will be 6. So ethane, single bond again. Now let me give you another example. Prop contain 3 carbons, and if we check it about how many hydrogen will be coming, so we need to write the formula first. C carbon number, this shows number of carbon. So number of carbon here, prop in the series is given 3 2 from the formula, and the number of carbons plus 2 from the formula. C carbon 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So hydrogen will be 8. This is the single bond. Okay, so we're gonna add in here, and this is called the single bond. Now if we talk about ene, the second one, ene, so they are known as alkenes. Okay, and the general formula of alkenes are CnH2n. Okay, so now here we are taking meth again, and C is 1, carbon 1, H2n. So you can see the difference, 4 will be reducing 2, so it will become methane. methane, yeah, methane. Now this is like the logic. You have to learn these by the logic. So now here we are taking eth. Okay, eth contain 2 carbons, again 2 carbons. So we are writing the formula. Here is the formula: 2 C, 2 2s are 4. So you can see, as I told you, that if we reduce 1 from the ethane hydrogen, from 2 we remove 2 hydrogen, so we'll get ethene. And these bonds, like ethene bonds, are known as double bonds. Okay, they're double bonds. Now coming towards the vial, they are known as alkyls. Okay, alkynes. So the general formula of alkynes are CnH2n-2. You need to keep these formula in your mind. Okay, I'll write here at the end of the video. If we take now we are taking prop. Okay, we are taking prop. We know that prop contain 3 carbons. So from the formula, 3 H2 3 minus 2 C3 H 3 2s are 6, and if you minus 2 from 3, so it will be 4. So you may see that if we are removing 4 in alkyls, so it will be propyl. Okay, so I hope you got it, and I'll explain more in the next video. So I'm writing the formula of alkanes. Basically these are for, then no need to get confused, they are only for the namings of the organic compounds consisting on their composition. Alkane consists of single bond, alkene consists of double bond, and alkyl consists of triple bond. So the general formula of alkane, to find out alkane or the carbon number and hydrogen, we have the formula CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2. These are the formula. If you will learn this, then the organic chemistry will be more easier for you. Okay, I hope you got it.